This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to delete a review on Letterboxd. So here on the main Letterboxd page, so first of all, come up to the top, your username. Here you will click on Profile. So Profile, you'll see all of the recent profile activity. You can actually see some of the recent reviews right here. So I actually added this review for Elevator to the Gallows today. So we're going to show you what you can do with this. So reviews at the top here, you'll see it in this kind of tab at the top. So we click on reviews and you see all of your reviews right here. You can expand them and see the full review. We can scroll down, we can see there's over 300 pages of reviews. So if we want to delete one of these reviews, we click on the film itself. So this opens up the actual review page. You'll see that this is a separate URL specifically for me. This isn't like the general page for the film, of course. This is just the review page right here. So actually really good film, Elevator to Gallows. It's kind of really early French New Wave. As I said here, you know, it's kind of bridges the gap between the sort of old school cinema and film noir into the French New Wave. But that said, if you do want to actually delete a review, you will click edit or delete review, this button right here, and that opens up this edit pane right here. So within this window pane right here, we can actually edit the review. But if you wanted to delete a review, you can just hover down here on this red button for delete, and you'll literally click the delete button and that review will be deleted. Now, I'm not going to delete this review as I quite like it. We're going to leave it here, but that is how you do it. You open up this edit diary entry window pane right here, you click delete, and that will delete your review. So if you have decided that you know, the review was a bad idea, or you don't want to review for whatever reason, you can do that very, very simply here. Hopefully you have found this video on how to delete a review on Letterboxd useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.